It's so nice. Whee! Rainbows. Oh, white butterfly. Fairyland world. It's autumn and it's hot. Yeah, we started actually previous masseuse, she introduced me with chakras. Or I think my mom, she had first experience and then she shared. And I was amazed, you know. And a few years later, started when my afterlife experience when my third eye evolved and whew, it's hard. And was in contact with angels and magical beings up there. And of course, on return to Earth, everything was awakened deep inside. And then, whenever closing eyes, it was like seeing pictures, not just visions for self, but also for others. It's so funny. And then also seeing like Nikola Tesla, seeing those lights. It was like a light ray from universe, all sorts of colors, and then realizing that each color represents each archangel or angel or magical being and so on, etc. And then at that point starting kind of opening, and this is like everyday ritual. Just open up all the chakras. Like for example, first one on tailbone, it's red. It's like a grounding foundation, taking care of body, physical body, all the needs, basic needs. Then we have second one on belly, which is connected to sexual organs, which is the sexual energy's purest one on the earth. It's really pure, and it's connected to abundance, free expression, creating, and so on. In the process, kind of forgetting what was learned in past, and then just focusing on the intuition and inner voice and inner feelings, right? Because whenever feeling like really nice, okay, this is vibrating with me, so I believe in that. And the rest is like it falls off. And then here under chest, the third one, yellow. Oh, the second one on belly button. I mean the belly area. It's orange. So yeah, now it's autumn is orange, so it's full abundance. Wow! Woohoo! And the third one under chest, it's inner strength, connected with confidence, abilities, capabilities, and so on. So it's like in between heart and sexual organ, which means, you know, when everything connected, it runs smoothly. Not so the energy in the body, it flows freely like water, and then it's the same with life in side situations and everything. And of course, open heart, where is pure love. This is it. The throat, free expression from the heart. It's this one is actually green and pink, and the throat is blue. And then the third eye chakra, it's purple, so it's intuition, knowing, and ideas and so on. And on the top of the head, the crown, like this. I have a sunshine crown. This one is, of course, divine being, wisdom from the universe. And then we have chakras outside of physical body, which is our soul core star, which, you know, we are feeling from this power source connection, our source, when receiving all the wisdom. And then celestial, all the sparks. Oh, wow. All the dimensions united and just flowing, grounding into the cells, organs, and what a fun, what a fun feeling seeing all this and sharing with others. Amazing, what a bliss. Yeah, so I'm wearing this. It means I'm now in my intuition, ideas and so on, which is actually in sync with the moon and my cycle, natural cycle, as a woman. It's super. So yeah, even with whatever we are wearing, or everything around us, all the colors, it's all as same as numbers, you know. The numerology is also fun. It all has meaning, and it's actually, those are actually signs from the angels. They're sending us message through all of that. So yeah, when having focus on this and paying attention, it's like, wow, you're on horse and on your rocket. Just flying, but at the same time super grounded. Enjoy, have fun, freedom, peace and love. Oh my god, so much light. One lady, she was joking, like, how can you see anything when so much light? Ciao ciao.